Mian3 Creative Block, a tourist attraction transformed from a century-old factory, has become a new landmark in North China's Tianjin municipality. Located on the bank of the Haihe River, the block is home to a diverse array of businesses, including coffee shops, bars, and art workshops. Since the beginning of this year, it has introduced new businesses of various industries, injecting new vitality into the area and the city.
年里咖啡连三店入驻面三园区已经8年了，能够感受得到这个园区的创新是它融在血液里的东西，让更多的年轻人然后来到这个地方。
经过这个差不多7、8年的发展过程当中呢，也有将近130多家企业进驻。今年在引入数字元宇宙新的这个数字经济产业的同时呢，也相应的把园区整个的这个消费拉动起来。
Since the beginning of this year, Mian3 Creative Block has held more than 40 cultural and tourism events, attracting about 200,000 visitors.
之前这有一些好奇的市集，有乐队，然后有美食啊什么的，都挺好的。
年三在产业和空间的升级了之后，吸引了非常多的年轻人，人气是变得越来越旺了。它之前可能服务于周边，现在是吸引到一个全市的客群。